Welcome back everyone, Breakfast Club CTG. We're back in this. Today we're doing a 1UP Nutrition unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I picked up. Just a few of the essentials that I always keep with me on deck, especially for cutting, bulking, whatever it is, just everyday subs. Here we go. All right, so here is our package. Gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Little handy shotgun tool. All right, so we got some whey protein. I got the white chocolate mint. I've been trying a bunch of different flavors lately from 1UP Nutrition. We got the vegan naturals greens and reds. I take this every morning religiously, either on an empty stomach or just if I forget to take it in the morning, I'll still take it in the morning, but just after I work out with my protein shake. It tastes awesome. Helps with fiber, helps with digestion. And after like a week and a half or so, you're gonna notice your natural energy levels just boost. I don't do caffeine, so I definitely noticed this throughout my time taking it. Great source of fiber, awesome for digestion, awesome for natural energy. And then we got our little 1UP Nutrition shaker. So I will be doing a supplement review video down the road. This is just a little mini unboxing for you guys. The macros on this whey protein are 138 calories for 34 grams, which is 1 scoop. We got 138 calories, we got 2 fat, 5 carb, and 25 protein. So awesome macros on this, tastes amazing. Mix it in with your oatmeal protein shake, either with almond milk or water, or your choice of milk. Also make awesome protein waffles. I'm excited to try this out. And then this, I take it every day with either my protein shake or just like on its own. There's 10 calories in this, and it's all carbs because of the fiber. So there's 2 grams of fiber in this and 3 total carbs. So in all, 1 net carb, not bad. That's gonna do it for this unboxing. So that's gonna do it for this little mini unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna go ahead and get some more work done. So see you guys in the next clip.